Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I will be reviewing this thing that's apparently just a Target exclusive. If you don't live in the US and you don't have Target near you, you probably won't find this. But since I do live in the US, I have Targets everywhere, and I was able to pick this up. It is the Target Bullseye, Hot Wheels Bullseye's Big Rig. It's pretty cool. It comes with the Target truck, and it even comes with a little shopping cart that comes with the truck. It doesn't come with a little figure or whatever that it usually comes with in the main lines, but this is still pretty cool. I picked it up for about $8 US dollars. So it is a pretty cool piece, and I will be unboxing this. But since I haven't really posted much in a while, sorry about that, I am also going to be unboxing this. The probably sought after Honda Civic Custom. This thing kind of took me a while to find, but thankfully I did find one, and I have another one, but this is the international case, and I have the American case up on my wall right now. But I will be unboxing this just because it does look nice, and again, it's pretty sought after, pretty hard to find. So we'll start off with the truck. We'll set the car aside for now. So here is the truck, so let's open it. Alright, so we have the truck out of its box, and here it is. So we'll take a look at the truck in a little bit. We'll take a look at the, I guess supposedly it's supposed to be the main attraction out of this whole set is the little shopping cart. It's that little shopping cart, I forgot what the name was, but I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, or maybe it's under here. Aisle driver, yeah, aisle driver. But this one's kind of special because it has the little Target Bullseye logo on there. But unfortunately it doesn't come with a little figure where it's supposed to hold the cart. It would have been cool to see if it came with it, but unfortunately it doesn't. This is 2016 Mattel, so it came out in 2017 as a first edition, or as a new model. I'm using 1998 language here. So yeah, pretty cool. The cart thing is metal, but we have a plastic base. And you have chrome rims. Pretty cool, but supposedly probably everybody's main attraction is this, the truck. So here's the truck. So there's the actual rig, the actual big rig. And what's the name of it? I think there might be a name on here. The rig dog. The rig dog is the casting for the actual truck, and here is the actual like container, or like the actual trailer. It says Target, and there's a little bullseye dog. Not much to say about the design, but I think it's pretty cool because if you have like dioramas and stuff, like I even have the 99 cents only stores truck that I actually reviewed just a couple of months ago, if I remember. I still have it on my display, but this will probably be on there too, because you know Target sells Hot Wheels, and you know why not have it on there? And it's pretty much licensed. So you can take it off of here. Let's see if I think you could take it off. Let's see. I don't want to break it. I don't feel like taking it off. But on the box it says that you can open up the back, so let's open up the back. There's nothing in there, so but there could be if we put this shopping cart, and there might be a problem. It doesn't fit, so try not to force in your little shopping cart. Maybe, what do I have here that can fit? Maybe I'll try this Ed Carpenter Indy car. Let's see. Oh, that works. So it has to be a little flat for it to fit in there. Let's see, I'll take Ed Carpenter out. Maybe I could get like a Dario Franchitti or maybe a Scott Dixon Target, like IndyCar, and force it in there. Maybe it could be like a Target hauler. So that's pretty cool. I don't think you can fit most cars on there, but you know, whatever. It's nice to have it. And like I said, since I haven't uploaded in quite a while, I will open up a bonus. So I will open up this, the Honda Civic Custom. So might be painful for all of you if you don't have it. I understand, it took me quite a while. Yeah, so here we go. There's the car, and holy smokes. That actually is pretty sick. So it's supposedly supposed to be a Honda Civic EG hatchback, and it's supposed to be like to represent like the 90s like dragsters from like Naira, the Naira drag racing series. So let's see. So it says Asada Race Garage. Of course, that's supposed to represent, unfortunately, one of our beloved Hot Wheels designers, Ryu Asada. This is another tribute to him. He passed away last year due to cancer, so this is a very nice tribute to him. Another huge tribute to him. He created so many legendary designs. We'll miss him very much. So it says Ryu Race Garage. The Japanese characters, if I remember that, it's supposed to say Hot Wheels in Japanese in like a different like font. Then there's an R for Ryu Asada. I even have the pace car, one that Ryu Asada actually owned in real life. Let's see if I can find it right now. Yeah, that R is first seen in this Acura NSX pace car, which again the designer Ryu Asada actually owned in real life. And I believe they're releasing an RLC with the actual working lights. That'd be a very nice one to actually have in the collection. Again, another tribute to him. And there's Rayula Circuit, even though the pace car is actually from Suzuka, but of course they couldn't put Suzuka on there, so we have it on here. That's pretty cool. So there's that R again for Ryu or Ryu. And then there's the front. You can see radiator and intercooler. Then you can see a little spinny boy, a little turbo. There's the headlights. It's like plastic. And there's the number for the car, which is 42. And there's again the R. And then there's the exhaust pipes that stick out of the hood, but it's not as much as what the card art would show. And the other side is basically like the other side. The windows are like dotted from here. And you notice that there's big wheels on the front, small wheels in the back, because you probably know that this car is front wheel drive. So it does need slick tires on the front. Huge slick tires on the front. So it does look pretty cool. And then there's the cut-in back bumper. And then there's the little spoiler, which looks good on EGs. Definitely a very nice one. If you can find it, definitely try to pick it up, because you know, pretty difficult to find. Which is not a surprise, because these scalpers always want to take all of them. Yeah, we don't want to talk about that. So yeah, and apparently there's another recolor in red, which I think it looks sick, but I think this blue one might be better. But I think it might be matching that NSX. So pretty cool. Definitely gonna add this to one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings, not only this year, but in like my collection. So there it is. But let's try this out. Can it fit in the hauler? As I drop something. So It does. Wow, it does. There you go. We could fit a Ryosada Dragster EG in there. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so that has been the conclusion or the review of the Target hauler and the little cart. Let's put the little cart up here. The little cart and the Honda Civic Custom Dragster. So if you like this video, please give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.